Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today, I would like to share with you the Zodiac monkey in 2022. If you are born in those periods, your Zodiac is a monkey, and you have so many beautiful things. We call it the congenital advantage, which is when the time you're born, you have it. You don't need to do anything. You just have it naturally. So we call it the congenital advantage. And today, I list 6 of them for your reference. Okay, are you ready? The first one, which is smart. We know that monkey is really good in those like a critical thinking, creative thinking. Monkey is so smart. So in terms of the intelligence level, monkey is pretty good. So this is a really good advantage. And monkey show all the wisdom in terms of dealing with a daily conflict, daily issue. Monkey is really good in that area. Okay, number two. Number 2 is the leadership skill. Monkey is born to be a leader. When there's a team, want to do some team project, you can easily find that monkey will just show himself and then take the responsibility and then stand up and then in charge to run the show. So this is really good. Okay, number 3. Number 3 is the helpfulness characteristic. Monkey is so helpful. When there's people need some help or their friends need a hand, monkey will definitely stand up and do them a favor, help them out. So this is really good. Okay, number 4. Number 4 is monkey is so flexible. He's good in thinking of using different method, different solution to deal with different issue, so which is really good. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is because monkey is smart. So if you want to take advantage to monkey, it's pretty tough to do that. But we don't know why. Monkey is willing to be the guy who suffer, who just let you take advantage from him. So this is something special. But monkey is really smart. In terms of, if let's say he don't willing to let you take the advantage, it's really tough for you to do that. But sometimes he will allow you to do that. So this is something funny. Okay, the last one which similar to the leadership skill. We know that monkey is good in the leadership, and monkey is also good to be a public speaker. So just like born talents for monkey, he will just stand up, grab the mic, and then present his idea. So this is something good, something amazing. Okay, we mentioned some of those congenital advantage. And for the congenital disadvantage, I list 3 of them for your reference. Okay, the first one is monkey have a so high for those self-esteem, so proud for do something. So he's ego self is too high, so sometimes it's tough to deal with some failure or to listen to some opposite idea. So there's some difficulty for that one. Okay, number 2 is monkey sometimes has some a nosiness characteristic. Sometimes just it's nothing to do with the monkey, but he just don't get used of it, so he will just stand up and then do something to interrupt that kind of unfair situation. Okay, number 3 is monkey is so get used to be on the spotlight, so he want to grab all those attention. So this is some advantage, but also will cause some disadvantage because monkey always want to draw the spotlight, draw the attention from other. So let's say if he failed to do that, there's some a setback, some a failure feeling on a monkey's mind. So this is, if you're a monkey, you need to pay attention for that one. Okay, the next thing is the business partner. For monkey, rat and dragon are the good business partner for you. You need to treasure them, especially in 2022. Those are so important to you. In terms of a soulmate, if you want to find a girlfriend, boyfriend, find a snake, which is really helpful to you because it's good match. And you need to stay away from tiger and pig. They're not really good teammates for you. Okay, the next thing I want to share with you is the timing. So in terms of the good luck timing, you need to use 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., which is quite late. But another timing, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. are good timing for you. The bad luck timing you need to stay away, which is from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. and from 3 a.m. to 5 p.m., which is not really good. Stay away, that will be help. And for 2022, the overall forecast for monkey is not really optimistic because this year is against the tiger. So you need to pay extra attention. You will feel there's a lot of obstacle, challenge, ups and downs in the whole 2022. So be safe, keep yourself safe. You need to avoid traveling to any unsafe country, unsafe area, which is not really good for you. Don't take the unnecessary risk. And you need to avoid some annoying things surrounding you. Just keep yourself calm this year. And you need to avoid a sudden change in this year. Just keep it like a low profile. Keep it quiet. That will be help. Keep it stable will definitely help. And you can ask Rat and Dragon to give you a hand if you need them. And for 2022, you need to pay extra attention for February. For May, August, and November. This 4 months is not really stable and it's not really good for you. Pay attention for that one. Okay, in terms of a financial forecast, be careful for all those investments, especially those are like a high-risk investment, new investment tools. You need to pay attention, try your best, stay away, it will help. And don't go gambling this year. If you have some credit card, you want to use it, make sure you check the bill. You need to avoid excessive or too much spending this year, then will help you. And in terms of the career forecast, there will be lots of pressure, lots of tough time for you, especially those like your boss, your colleague, or even the customer may give you a tough time. And you'll have a chance to have a more like a business trip, which is good. But you need to make sure those trips is go to like a safe location. That will help. And in terms of the love forecast, the love energy is not really good. So you need to avoid like a conflict or like unnecessary stress with your spouse. That will help. And for the family forecast, there's some conflict between you and your family member this year. So stay away. Let me give you good tips. If let's say there's some conflict between you and your family, you can just calm down and stay away first. Just walk away until you calm yourself down. Then you come back and handle it. That will help. Okay, the last one, which is the health forecast. Be safe this year, especially when you're driving. Be safe. And don't get hurt. And if you have insurance, make sure you have enough insurance to protect you this year. And I wish you good luck this year. Okay? Thanks for watching. Good luck. If you want to learn more about traditional feng shui setting and knowledge, I have a book in Amazon.com. The name is Practical Feng Shui 101. You can go there, take a look. I put a link down below. And if you want to learn more about current feng shui setting and yearly feng shui tips, I also have a book for you, free of charge. I put a link down below. You're welcome to go there, download it. And thanks for watching. Good luck.